In this video, I'm just going to show you how to study for the test, finding slope and all of that. So here we go. Number one, we're going to find the slope. So let's give you 2 points. Let's say 5, -3 and 2, -7. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula says y2 take away y1 divided by x2 take away x1. So I'm just going to plug those numbers in. -7 minus -3 divided by 2 take away 5. Now, when I have two negatives side by side, they turn into one big fat positive. So now I'm just going to go -7 plus 3 is -4. 2 take away 5 is -3. So the final answer is 4 over 3 because it just turns positive. Okay? On another question, here I'm giving you 2 points, -5, -6, and 2, 8. And this is x1, y1, x2, y2. The first thing we have to do is find the slope. So find the slope first. The second thing you have to do is plug in the numbers. Plug in x and y. Solve for b. And number 4, write the new equation. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find the slope. So I'm going to go 8, take away -6, divided by 2, take away -7. Again, that turns into a big positive on both sides. So 8 plus 6 is 14. You guys, I wrote something wrong here. This is supposed to be a 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And when I divide that, that equals 2. So now I know that the slope is 2. So now the slope, which is m, equals 2. All right? Now we have to just erase this. Now we have to choose 2 points. So I'm going to choose 2 and 8. It looks like the easiest to me. And I'm going to write it like this. Instead of y equals mx plus b, for the y, I'm going to put in 8. For the m, I'm going to put in 2. For the x, I'm putting in 2 plus b. So 8 equals 2 times 2 is 4 plus b, minus 4 on both sides. So 4 equals b. So the new b equals 4. All right, now my final thing is I'm going to just write the equation. And the equation is y equals 2x plus 4. I just plug in that new number and that new number, and that's my answer for that question. On the next one, I'm going to actually have an XY table. So here we have a bunch of X's and a bunch of Y's to find. All right, so again, we just need to find the slope. We have a lot of Y's and a lot of X's. All we're going to do is choose 2 Y's. So I'm going to choose these 2 Y's. And I'm going to say 14, take away 11. Now, because I chose those 2 for the X's, I have to choose these 2. And I have to start with 8. 8, take away 6. All right, now I'll just solve this. 14 take away 11 is 3. 8 take away 6 is 2. So now I know that m equals 3 over 2. Next, I'm going to, and by the way, it wouldn't matter what y's you choose or what x's. You're going to get that same answer. Okay, so now I'm going to choose 2 points. I think I'll choose 4 and 8. It doesn't really matter. And instead of saying y equals mx plus b, I'm going to say y is going to be 8 equals 3 over 2 times x, which is 4, so it's 4 over 1, plus b. Now when I multiply that out, 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 2 times 1 is 6, plus b. So this makes 8 equals 2 plus b minus 2 on each side, and my new b is 6. So the b now is 6. So now to write my equation, I'm just going to say y equals 3 over 2x plus 6. And that's how you do those 3 problems. If you can do those 3 problems, you should be able to pass the test.